How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can stop someone from calling us without actually blocking them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to stop someone from calling you without basically blocking them, what you can try to do is just go ahead and first of all, let's say someone has been bothering you a lot, right? And then you come to their contacts tab, you don't want to block them because they're going to figure out. One thing that you can do is, but first of all I just want to tell one thing, that is that the easiest way to stop someone from calling you is by simply blocking them from your device. That's the easiest way to do it. Let them know whatever the case, it doesn't really matter. You can just block them and choose to unblock whenever you want. But if that is not the case, then what you can instead try to do is you can actually enable flight mode. This will basically stop anyone from calling you, and it not only blocks the call for that person, but what happens here is that it also blocks the call for other people who are on your contact list, which means you will not receive calls from anybody. This is one of the downsides of this type of feature. The other thing that you can do is, of course, you can just try to turn off your device for quite an amount of while, and after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then figure out. Otherwise, you can simply turn on the do not disturb mode like me over here, which will not give you notifications from any of the calls even if you actually receive them. This way you should be able to block calls from someone without blocking them, but the easiest way is to, of course, just block them. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.